Alright, bro. I'll see you later.
Be safe, bro.
Alright, see ya.
First things first, wrestling.
Break.
Yeah. What's up, you busy? Yeah, bro. I don't think I can make the concert this weekend, bro. I think I broke my neck. Yo. I didn't know not wearing your seatbelt would hurt that much, man. It hurts really bad. Yeah, hopefully I'll let you know what's up, man. Hopefully it's not too bad. Alright, man, I'll let you know. Bye-bye.
Got the news in Miami that now we all got ones that we raising. Tell Jello bring some more rose and a baccarat out for our cheers to the next generation. But the champagne. Toast is short lived. I got an empty crib, but my empty crib. I only met you one time.
Hello? Dude, I really cannot hear you.
Hey, Nick, I think he must have brought you like 20 gifts.
Can't hear me?
The mother said you growing so fast that they don't even.
Can you hear me now? Yeah.
Well, where are you?
Yeah. I just left class.
I don't care. You're supposed to be here.
I had texted you about 5 minutes ago.
Well, hurry up.
Well, alright, girl, I'll be there whenever I can. Stop rushing me, okay?
Alright, bye.
Alright, I'll be there as soon as possible. Alright, bye. God, all this traffic, man. Oh my God. Jesus.
I'm gonna have to call you back. Hey, you good, man? Yo, you good? Come on, man. Come on. Are you good, man?
I don't think so, man. I think I'm hurt.
Well, we're gonna sit down right here, bro.
Ah, man, thanks, man.
So what happened?
I was just in a rush, man, and I think I hurt myself, man.
You weren't wearing a seatbelt. What do you think was gonna happen?
Sorry, man.
Bro, I'm about to call it 911, bro.
As you saw in the video, when Carlos suddenly hit the brakes, he jolted forward, causing him to hit his head with the steering wheel, which could have prevented his injuries if he were to wear his seatbelt. And here's some facts as to why wearing your seatbelt is really important. One of the facts on reason why the seatbelt is really important is that more than half of the teens and adults who died in vehicle crashes were not wearing their seatbelts at the time of the crash. Fact 2 is that seatbelt use in passenger vehicles has saved an estimate of 13,914 lives in the year of 2015. Fact 3 is that people who are not wearing their seatbelts are 30 times more likely to be ejected out of their vehicles during crashes. More than 3 out of 4 times, people who are ejected out of their vehicles during fatal crashes have died from their injuries.